Learn with Champak presents aggregate queries in Pandas. Let us summarize many cricket scores records using Pandas. The 5 aggregates are maximum, minimum, sum, average, and count. Pandas uses mean, whereas SQL uses AVG. Create the data frame with the 10 cricket records from the lesson. It has batsman, innings number, match type, and score columns. Select the score series and call max or mean. The greatest score is 113, the smallest is 0. The 10 score values total 352. Their mean is 35.2 and count returns 10 non-missing score values. The AGG or AG method accepts several function names and applies every aggregate to the score series in one operation. The query shows an error when batsman appears beside a maximum without grouping. To produce one maximum for each batsman, first create batsman groups. Group by batsman and aggregate score with max. Champak's maximum is 113, Gaurav's is 10, and Papu's maximum is 3. Named aggregation calculates maximum, minimum, average, total, and count for every batsman and gives each result column a clear name. For multiple group columns, pass a list to group by. Pandas creates this one group for every distinct batsman and match type combination. Reversing the group column summarizes the same combinations. In Pandas, it changes the hierarchy and displays the order of the grouped keys. SQL or SQL having filters completed groups. In Pandas, aggregate first and then use a Boolean condition on the aggregated data frame. Only Champak reaches 100. Remember the sequence. Filter the horizontal rows, form groups, calculate aggregates, and finally filter the aggregated groups. Select first innings, test rows, group them by batsman, calculate the maximum, and retain maximum scores of at least 100. The result is Champak with 111. Question A asks for the highest test and 1 day scores. Group by match type. The results are 111 and 130. Question B asks for each batsman's highest first innings score. Filter innings 1, then group by batsman and innings number. When batsman is removed from group by, every first innings record forms one group. The overall first innings maximum is 112. Calculate the mean for every batsman and retain the row equal to the greatest mean. Champak has the highest average of 112. The syntax changes from SQL to Pandas, but the idea remains the same. Filter rows, create groups, aggregate them, and filter the summaries. Pause and reproduce each result using the same 10 cricket records. And solve all 3 questions without looking back. You can now translate aggregate queries into Pandas. Follow Learn with Champak for more practical Pandas lessons. Thank you. Please subscribe.